彼はエミ、僕たちは今親友のクリスを待ってるんだ。クリスはいつも遅れて登場する。その理由は髪型を完璧に整えるため。でも遅れた言い訳は決まってこるんだ。イトレバーディレイ。つまり電車が遅れててさーって。もうすぐクリスがやってくる。見てて。
Sorry, I'm late, guys. The E-train was delayed. So, guys, what are your plans for Christmas? It's a week away.
1週間後のクリスマスの予定って別に仕事だよ。I'm just gonna work.
Work? What? No way. I got invited to this huge holiday party at the Rainbow Room, top of Rockefeller Center. And I might just get a chance to meet Bruno Mars this year.
ブルーノマースと一緒にパーティー？あと1週間でクリスマス。エディは毎年セレブが集まるクリスマスパーティーを開催。そしてクリスは毎年 The One 特別な人との出会いを待ってる。What about you, Chris? Any special plans?
You know me. I want a special romance. No, guys, really, I'm gonna meet the one. I'm ready for a strong shot of espresso. Where is the waitress? Miss?
Welcome to Cafe D'Amour. What can I get you guys?
彼女はこのカフェの新人メアリー、そして2階で多分インスタの更新をしているのはジェニー。ここのカフェのスペシャルドリンクはいっつも独特なんだ。僕たちは絶対に頼まないそのスペシャルを興味本位で毎回訪ねてみる。今日のスペシャルは What is today's special?
Today's special is the Mocha Choca Caramello Affogato with whipped cream and sprinkles.
No.
Well, we also have the holiday pumpkin
I'll
extravaganza.
just take an espresso, doppio.
僕はカフェラテ please.
Yeah, I'll take a... Wait, did you say doppio? Doppio. That means double.
エスプレッソのダブル You're gonna be so wild, man!
Yeah, I will just take a cappuccino. Wait, where did she go? Ugh. Don't you hate it when waitresses do that?
まあ落ち着けよ。彼女まだ新人なんだから。She's a new waitress.
Oh, they're always there when you don't need them.
Sorry about that.
Then, when you actually need something, they're nowhere to be found.
Excuse me,
it's
sir?
so weird to me. Look, I've never waited tables a day in my life, but I think I'd be able to get it
Hey,
together in order
what can I
to...
get you to drink?
Wow. Hi. I'm Cappuccino.
Hi, Mr. Cappuccino. I'm Mary.
Oh, I'm Chris. Chris. Shoot. And I'd like a cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Yeah, with the foam on the top, it reminds me of snow.
Me too. Okay then, Mr. Chris. So that's espresso, cafe latte, and cappuccino. Extra snow.
Chris.
クリスのあの目、もしかして毎年クリスマスに求めていたロマンスがようやく彼に訪れたのかも。 Hey Chris,
What's on your mind? Mary.
Chris.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Could I get...
Oh, your coffee. I am so sorry.
No, actually, I just wanted to...
Coffee! Here you go.
Where are you from?
New York?
Yeah.
You?
No, I'm from Australia.
Fancy accent.
わかりますよね、この何も進まない感じ。
出身は
New York! あなたは
オーストラリア。
おしゃれなアクセントね。
Listen, buddy, you're in. Now close the deal. Ask around.
そうだよ、せっかく舞い降りたロマンスを逃すな、クリス。
Could I take you out for dinner sometime?
クリスがメアリーをデートに誘った。メアリーの答えはもちろん
Oh no! What? No! Oh no! Sorry, that came out so wrong.
確かに急な展開にびっくりするメアリーの気持ちもわかる。そうだ、いいこと考えた。
But
ロマンティックな音楽をお願い。
The music is romantic, isn't it?
yes, it is romantic.
Go, Chris.
Just say yes.
Hey, look, it's just a date, just to get to know each other better.
そうだよ、お互いに知り合うための単なるデート。メアリー、
I guess you're right. It is just a date, no big deal, right?
Exactly. So, what do you say? Come on, Mary.
Say yes. Yes. I just never thought that I would meet a complete stranger and suddenly feel like everything just shifted when I was small and Christmas trees were tall. We used to love while others used to play. Don't ask me why, but time has passed us by. Someone else moves in from far away. What will we say?
Mary. Hey, Chris. Here you go. What's this?
Oh, your cappuccino.
My cappuccino.
Here you go.
Oh, what's this?
My phone number.
Oh, thank you. Oh, could I get your phone number?
Yes. But am I ever gonna hear from you?
Yeah, how's next Thursday night for dinner?
Next Thursday. Wait, that's Christmas Eve.
Yeah, Christmas Eve.
ついにクリスマスイブにメアリーと会う約束を。
I want to spend Christmas Eve with you.
メアリーの答えは
Yes!